To set Google Assistant driving mode lock screen as dan show notifications in Samsung Galaxy S21, S21 Plus or S21 Ultra, open settings, swipe the notification panel, and then the settings icon, scroll down settings screen, find Google, and then tap Google Services, scroll down screen, and then tap settings for Google Apps, tap search assistant and voice, and then select notifications, tap notifications, and then you must turn on Google notification first. If Google notification is off, tap show notification switch until green until blue to turn off to turn on, and then scroll down screen, find assistant driving mode, and then tap assistant driving mode, scroll down screen, tap lock screen, and then select on show notifications. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.